Hello and hi. Thank you for your inquiry on the 5 days WhatsApp class. It is going to be a 5 days extensive WhatsApp class on how to get rid of all the hormonal irregularities and then landing up in a natural pregnancy. I've been obsessed about always maintaining a perfect body. Perfect body in the sense it is not about size 0, it is about having a super energetic lifestyle, most importantly the mindset, and also something when it something which could aid to a natural pregnancy. And there has been a lot of IVF, IUI and different sorts of treatments that's coming up, which is actually taking us away from the process of feminism, and we are completely getting into a mechanic lifestyle. So it is actually not conducive, and the effect of all this is going to be something tremendous on the forthcoming days. So I was on a keen research for a very long time and have identified a super structure, a beautiful system which anyone can follow to get out of all the hormonal irregularities and then land up in a perfect natural pregnancy, okay, where you can increase your immunity. So 80% of my program will be focusing more about the mindset thing, how to fine tune your subconscious mind, because of which emotion did we actually land up in such a big problem. It could be thyroid, it could be endometriosis, it could be extreme level of increase in weight gain, or it could be anything that is disturbing your hormones and which is actually disturbing your metabolic rate. So with all this, we designed a supercharged fertility lifestyle masterclass, and we wanted to give a good feel, or we wanted to give the maximum value to people for a simple charge of 499 rupees, which is actually less than chamber kajal that you buy, or a moisturizing cream that you would buy, or it is less than the cost of a pizza, or which a cost which you can't even imagine of getting a proper appointment with a gynecologist, or even your scan reports for your hormonal test. So it is such a less cost of 499 at this pandemic situation, and it's going to be a 5 days extensive WhatsApp class. Now with the different questions that people have raised so far in all the previous batches, for all the previous enquiries, I'm recording this video for you to give a complete clarity with all the frequently asked doubts. Now what if the timing is not matching me, and of all the days, or on the evenings I'm busy, or on the mornings I'm busy and all that? Timings will not be a problem. And because it's not going to be a live class, it is going to be a pre-recorded video sessions, okay, where each day is actually clearly planned, where someday you will be getting videos on peak fertility foods, okay, what are all the foods that you have to have it on your plate, and how should you actually plan your plate for when you're planning for pregnancy, and what the husband should do, what the wife should do, what are the things that is conducive enough for all this, and how should you structure your day. If there is a weight increase that is disturbing me, how to reduce this weight naturally, a weight loss tea. So with different very much value added portions will be given as video lessons for you. And on the 5th day you will be either having a live session or the recorded session depending upon your batch, because it's like people are not able to join at 4:30 p.m. or people are not able to join by 7:30 p.m. or if we have it at 11 o'clock in the morning, then also people, it's not conducive for everyone. So that's the reason for this recorded sessions. Now what if it's only recorded? So how am I going to clear your doubts? It will never be a problem, because all the students who are going to enroll for that particular WhatsApp batch will be in a WhatsApp group, and you can post your questions continuously in that group whenever and whichever part of the day that you're watching those videos, okay. And evening by 6 to 7 p.m. I'm going to allocate 1 hour's time where I'm going to answer all these questions. So you can either post your questions at that time, or at any point of time that you're watching the video and you have a doubt, you just post the question. so that all your questions will be answered at that particular time. No questions will be unanswered. And a kind request is, please do not personally message me or call me. With the increasing number of leads coming and increasing number of people generating, I actually get a minimum of 250 messages which is personally sent to me from different WhatsApp groups on different areas of life. It's not only about PCOD. I do conduct my PhD classes on management. I do conduct my design your life. I do conduct my goal setting sessions. So all these people been continuously messaging, so I request kindly not to personally message or call me, because my day is very structured and I don't take any calls from an unknown numbers. So that's one important thing that I wanted to give. And it's also not only just video lessons given to you. You will also be given 2 important activities which will be continuously monitored for all the group members throughout those 5 days. So all of us will be doing that activity together. So as a community, it could be 40 people, it could be 100 people, it could be 250 people, whatever it is. As a community, for the next 1 week, we will be doing that activity consistently for the 5 days. So you will have an energy. See, you can't pull a big car or a big vehicle on your own hand. You must have a team. So you must, it's not only about the team, you must have the energy. If all of us are individually energetic, then there will be no need for such kind of mentors or such kind of coaches, or any kind of problem shouldn't have arisen. But teamwork as a community, when all of us do together, the effectiveness of it will be very great. Okay, and a few of you were asking about the questions on language. Yes, the program will be on language, English. So you will not be able, of course, if you have doubts in Hindi or Tamil, you can just post it as an audio message in the WhatsApp group. I will be able to reply it back to you. And at what time, how much time will I have access for these videos? In fact, we are planning for having a lifetime access until I and Teachable is there. So you will definitely have access. Even if you miss watching that day on day 1, day 2 you can watch it, both the videos together. So that will not be a problem. A minimum of 60 to 90 days is what you will have the entire access for just $4.99. Okay, so timing will again not be a problem. You can access it at any part of the day, and in whichever time it's convenient for you. And consistent activities we will be monitored. So 80% of this will be mindset, and of course we have lot because of all these mindset issues, because of the time that we landed up in this stress and all that, our lifestyle got disturbed, and finally the health also got disturbed. So finally, correcting the mindset or correcting this lifestyle, everything will be getting corrected, and you will gradually land up in a natural and a healthy and a divine pregnancy. So do not over confuse you. It is just a matter of $4.99, and there have been so many amounts spent on too many other unwanted activities. So if you are a person who is consciously planning for your pregnancy, and or even if you may be a college student who is suffering from any of the hormonal imbalances, this will be a definite great platform for you. Because this is not, I'm not a person to conduct yet another online session. Like, there were too many online sessions happening after this COVID. It is not like that. It's my dream, it's my passion, and I put 200 of my effort to everything. So thank you so much for your inquiry. Go ahead and register for the program. I'll see you live on the videos for the WhatsApp class. Bye bye, take care.